One of the most relaxing things that you could do is put the kids to bed and make some Freshies. Freshies is so therapeutic. Let me tell you something. Sometimes I feel like a kid all over again, spending time sitting here painting. And at the same time, you sell them and you make money. Like, this is really a win-win. Now, my Freshies, I used to sell them online, and I also sold them in like pop-up shops and stuff like that. But lately, honestly, I just been giving them away. Friends and family, okay? So here's the thing. If you are going to get into the Freshie business, you need to make sure that you begin to look for the cheapest price for the beads. The Freshie beads are so expensive. I have compiled quite a few vendors in a Patreon. So if you look in the description box, there will be a link to my Patreon. And also you will find my Freshie ebook where I'll tell you guys cooking temperatures and stuff like that. Now, my colors, like I tell you guys all the time, Walmart is not the best place to get your colors. I don't get my colors off of Amazon either because I've gotten dried, clumpy colors from Amazon as well. So I try to stay away from them. The best place to get colors is always going to be Michael's. I normally spend about 79 cents on my colors, but sometimes they have a nice sale going on. If they have a nice sale, you can probably get them for about 30% off or something like that. Usually I get that 4-pack on sale for like $2.49. And I love it, okay, because I always use bright colors. Sometimes I do use dark colors, like I'm about to make a Alabama Freshie mold with the elephant, and that's going to be gray, red, and black. So sometimes I do dark colors, but today I chose to go with some neons and some that are not neons, okay? So right here I'm using a white and pink, and I'm kind of mixing that together. That purple, it's a bright purple. It's not a dark purple, and I love purple. And also when it came down to the orange, the pink, and the green, those are neon colors. So I'm using this green neon right now, and I'm painting the R. Now, some of them I wanted to mix the colors, and some of them I decided not to mix the colors. Somebody asked me the other day about using cotton candy inside of a Freshie. And I want to tell you guys, it is very important that you use the strongest scents for your Freshies. When I say strong scents, I mean strong scents. So I'm just going to share a few of my favorite scents to use inside of a Freshie. Now, I sell a strawberry shortcake that is super strong, and everybody knows that it is very, very strong. So that strawberry shortcake in a Freshie, okay? I like sour candy. I think it's like a Jolly Rancher smell, and it's like a candy apple, green apple candy. That's what's called, green apple candy. I love that one. Mahogany teakwood, coconut lime, verbenum, and also coconut lime, like just coconut lime. That one smells really good. Mary Mimosa, that's my favorite Freshie scent. I just love that scent. So that's something I use all the time. Also, black teakwood is another scent that I use all the time as well. And I'm telling you, that black teakwood is quite strong. Anything that's teakwood, mahogany, coffee, all of that kind of stuff is really strong. Blue raspberry candy, that's another one that I use in my Freshies. I did try like a apple scent, and that didn't come out too well. Well, guys, I will put a PDF together if you guys are in the Patreon, and I will link it in the Patreon. Bye.